The Dell Latitude E7240. Okay. It sucks. It will suck. Prepare for sucking. Okay, so first thing we do is pop that battery off. You have to take off the screw right here, and then you have to take off the screw right there. You just push down and slide, and sometimes you have to get your nails in there, but push down and slide, and this will come off. You put your screws on a book or something. See how this says P? There's tons of P screws, and you will rip apart. Okay, you're basically taking out every screw in this entire gosh darn laptop to get to the coincell, and it's going to suck balls. There's also K screws. These K screws are a little bit longer. Stupid hair. So the goal of this, of taking out all these screws, is to get to open the keyboard, and that's where the coincell battery is. In the middle of this, you gotta take the little ribbon cable out. If you're nervous about it, you can always put the screw underneath. Just gently. Ah, there it is. There's also, for some reason, I don't have another ribbon cable, but there should be. Sometimes there's a ribbon cable right here, right next to it. So just do the same thing. And then you're good and golden. The thing that goes right up here, you just take all those screws off and put them somewhere where it's a little organized. Got it right here. Okay, so you put your fingernail right on the side. I don't know if you can see because the stupid shadow. Okay, so right there, and then rip it open. Ugh. It seems scary because of the noise, but I promise you, if you're not a little baby like me, you'll be fine. So much cat hair. Then you're gonna take your itty bitty baby screwdriver, and you're gonna get the itty bitty baby screws out of here. Oh, there's one more right here. After you get your 3 little baby screws out of the top, you then want to slide the keyboard part out and brush all the damn cat hair off. Holy moly. Okay. So there's this one, 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 this one. Just take them all out. There are also 2 screws in the back, right here. Get those. Alright, there we go. I know it's scary. I hate the pops. I hate the plastic pops. Ooh. Oh, I see it. I see the coincell. Oh, we're there. Okay, there's just one little screw in the back right here. Alright. Okay. Okay. This is what we're here for. This is the grand lapis. Undo the screw. Okay, so you might have thought, let's take this little guy out. Don't do that. That's stupid. I think I might have broken it. What you wanna do is get that ribbon cable out. That blue one right here. Flip it up. Okay, so it's flipped up now, and you yank it out. Boink. Okay. Right here, you're gonna want to take this out. It's glued together, so it's gonna be sticky. Don't panic, you're fine. It's fine, everything's fine. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Got it. All right, that's our thing. Now that we've got what we wanted, we gotta replace it. So the battery is actually inside of here. So we're looking at a Just a standard 3 volts, 2032 coincell battery. I bought one at the grocery store. I'm going to open this up with a knife and then put the new battery in it. All right. Here's our battery. Welcome. Say hello. Say hello to the camera. Battery. So now I need to replace it with the new one. Energizer 2032. The 2032. That's what you need to know. These are terrible to open. Ugh. Okay. I got it. Jeez Louise. Oh, this is going to be a bitch. I'm going to gently take off this pad. This little pad right here. There's a pad on there. Just want to rip this out with my teeth. Ow. Dry off all the slobber. Got the second. Okay. First one. Am I going, sweetie? Oh, got the one part. Got the second piece of glue. Okay. Got our pads off the battery. Now we get some electrical tape. Glue. I went into the garage looking for electrical tape. I found it. But I also found 2032 batteries. Like, I didn't have to buy them. I thought we wouldn't have them in this house, but apparently we do. And apparently I'm just a money-wasting fool. Step 1, get your cat hair off the electrical tape. Or don't. Personally, I like a bunch of cat hair everywhere. Makes everything taste better, makes everything more artistic. It's just great all around. Head goes on positive. Okay, it's back in. Good. Oh my gosh, this is going to get on my nerves. Okay, I'll just put that on. Okay, battery's in. Okay, do it turn on. It turn on. Oh, Continue, press F1 key. F1. Okay. Okay. I'll shank you, bruv. I'll shank you, bruv, if you don't go faster. What a surprise. It couldn't fix itself because Windows is dumb. Okay. We're going to launch this again and then just press F2, F2. Yes! All right. Oh, the mouse isn't working. Bluetooth mouse. Ha! I'm a genius. Starting Windows. Oh my gosh. Oh. You know, sometimes all you have to do is just send ChatGPT a photo and it will fix everything. So here's the dealio. My hard drive is a legacy, not a UEFI. Boot list option, legacy. Apply. System configuration, SATA operation. AHCI is on. Okay. Exit. Wait, this is expected. Start a repair. It's okay if this happens. Ta-da! Okay, it's gonna do that for a couple minutes. It's gonna be like, okay, just figuring things out. Everything's gonna be great. Shit. So I clicked view advanced options, and then it's like, put in your password. I guessed the password. I got it right. Now we're gonna go into command prompt. So you do diskpart, and then diskpart's gonna be like, what do you want to do? And so you do list VOL, list volumes. You're gonna try and find the volume you got. So mine's the one with 120 gigabytes. So we have a C and an E drive. Then type exit. Boot. Sect. Success message. Woo! Enter. Enter. Active. Exit. Enter. Exit. One more time. Okay. Restart. I hope the battery doesn't die on me. Oh my god! Holy moly! Holy balls! I did it! Woo, baby! That's the screen I needed to see. Yeah! Yeah! I'm the king. What? OneDrive isn't signed in. Oh, shut up. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Open Skype. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Oh, Oh, you must the changes. Restart late. Oh, fuck. It died. The laptop died. Oh, I gotta charge it.